Jackson Safety presents the 280 PL Welding Helmet. Made especially for pipeline applications, this helmet is built to provide access to tight or narrow spaces while deflecting sparks and slag and reducing heat buildup. Patented 370 headgear designed for maximum comfort. Large adjuster knob allows easy adjustment with gloves on. The Jackson Safety 280 PL helmet is molded from Super Tuff nylon, lighter than fiberglass at 1 pound 5 ounces and extremely durable. For more extreme conditions, try the silver version, coated with our proprietary Super Cool layer, designed to keep the helmet 30% cooler while shedding spatter to prevent burning. Spring-loaded lift front reveals a high-impact polycarbonate window to inspect and grind welds without having to remove the helmet. The 280 PL Welding Helmet by Jackson Safety, made especially for pipeline applications.